In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1Password, a powerful tool designed to keep all of your important passwords and sensitive information secure and easily accessible. We'll explore the various features of the 1Password interface, making sure you're well equipped to navigate it on your own. Let's get started. Firstly, let's explain what 1Password is. Essentially, 1Password is a password manager that helps you create, store, and manage secure passwords for all your accounts. You can find it online at my.1password.eu/home. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, the top option is Home, where you'll spend most of your time managing your vaults and information. Directly beneath Home on the menu, you have three additional options: Integrations, Developer, and Billing. Each of these serves a unique purpose. Integrations allows you to connect 1Password with various apps and services, enhancing your workflow. Meanwhile, Developer and Billing are useful for managing technical settings and subscription details. If you ever need to add more team members or share access with family, simply click on the Invite People option, which is also located on this menu. In the Home section, you can create a new vault. A vault serves as a secure place where all your passwords are stored. To do this, look for the plus New Vault option. This will guide you through the necessary steps to set up a new, separate vault for different categories or groups of information. Each vault can hold numerous entries, like passwords, secure notes, or even credit card details, ensuring you stay organized. Additionally, if you've added the 1Password extension to your browser, as I have done with Chrome in this example, it becomes even easier to manage your information. You'll be able to see all your account details and have quick access to them with just a click. The extension integrates seamlessly with your browsing experience, autofilling login information, and offering to save new credentials as you go. You'll also notice a key icon, which represents the password generator. This tool is fantastic for creating strong, unique passwords quickly, ensuring each of your accounts is as secure as possible. Remember, one of the best practices for online security is to have a different password for each account, and 1Password makes this process effortless. If you wish to add a new item such as a login, credit card, or secure note, you can do so by clicking the plus icon. This addition is simple and straightforward, guided by helpful prompts along the way. And that's it. With these tools at your disposal, managing and securing your digital information becomes an easy and intuitive process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate 1Password confidently.